Hey everyone, Cool Hatman here. I'm sorry for not uploading for about, I'd say a month. I don't know, this is the worst thing. I lost my camera. I couldn't find it, but I found it today, which is good. Yeah, so, yeah. I guess you can't really see me, can you? But my camera is plugged in charging, which is good. So, yeah. Just forgive me for not uploading, okay? I will check if I have subscribers. Please subscribe. I am still in my pajamas. I don't know why. But what we're going to do today is actually unbox bracelets from, I guess, you guys. I'll just get the box. I'll be right back. I've got the box. It looks just like that, if you can see it. And inside there's bracelets. So let's pull out the first one. What's it gonna be? Where is it? What? Did I lose them? Actually, I don't think I put them in there, did I? Surely, I think I put them. Where did I put them? Are they not in there? Okay, here they are. Let's get the first one. Ooh, yeah, nice one. This kind. See, that's awesome. Let's put it on. There. Second one. Ooh, look at this. This one. It's cool. Let's put it on. And now just one more. Let's see what it is. This bracelet. Let's put that on. So here are the bracelets on me. Looking nice. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe for Cool Hatman's Cool Adventures. Bye!